Ai, kia ora. E tu whānau to us. Well, aroha. My mum always told me that that's where it starts. Aroha overrules everything.
Yeah.
You know, but you could have aroha, but whanaungatanga. I can do this. I can do this. So it's you know, it keeps us connected, and that's what e tu whānau is about. You know, it's us standing up. I only stand up for my baby, for my girl, for my sons at home. Stand up for my wife. You know, these are the people that have given me more than gold. They've given me a life that I love. I'm a man in my house, and these guys make me feel that way. And that's, to me, is what e tu whānau is about. You know, tūturu tangata. That's real people. And I'm not even talking Māori. I'm talking as a man, as a human being. You know, so I love e tu whānau for what it stands for. You know, the manaki, the mana, kōrero awhi. You know, she does it for me. And tikanga, we can't forget who we are.
Hard. Know who you are, be who you are.
Yes, that's right.